Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do.
Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be planting out my Achocha, which is here. It's a climbing Bolivian cucumber. It is like a slipper-like shape, and I'm planting these out about a foot apart. These are prolific. One of these probably could cover this whole entire trellis. But I'm just going to show you how I'm planting them out. So this here, as you can see, has a lot of like organic matter in it. So that's the mulch, and under here is some really nice crumbly soil, which, to be honest, is really thick with organic matter. There's all sorts of stuff like here, and look, every set part of this has got worms, and it is just full of life, this soil. So I'm not going to put anything other than just replacing the mulch around the roots when I'm going to be planting them out. Like I said, I'm going to do these about a foot apart. They've been hardened off, meaning that I started out putting them out for 2 hours, then 4 hours, then 6 hours, then overnight. So it's time for me to place these out. I'm just going to get these over here. So, really unscientific what I'm going to do. So from the centre of the Achocha, it's about my boot length, which is about a foot, or one of my feet anyway. And then I just mark it like this. Dig a little hole underneath the trellis with my extremely blunt object. I got ID'd for this as well, you know. Right. So I just make a little hole. There is loads of, see, it's a bit of a worm. Try not to dig too much, but all the wood chip you can see here, all that wood chip from last year is pretty much broken down into soil. And there's worms, there's another one there, and everything is just really full of life. The Achocha out of the packet, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the ground like that, and basically backfill this. It's very moist, this compost, because it's very well mulched. So just like so. And then I'm going to ensure that I put some more of this mulch back over the top, because it will dry out so quickly otherwise. Now, just like a cucumber, this needs to trellis. So I'm just going to get it and weave it through the trellis to make sure that it attaches, just like so. And it will grow upwards.